Okay. Now in the determinant, we just cross multiply them and find out the answer. So we get 2 cos square theta. That means 2 cos theta into cos theta. Then minus 2 sin square theta. What we get? 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta. We take 2 as a common and we get over here cos square theta plus sin square theta. The value of which is 1. So ultimately, what is the answer we got over here? That is 2. In this way, we saw cos 90 minus cos 45, sin 90, sin 45. We again proceed in the same way. That means cos 90 into sin 45 minus cos 45 into sin 90. We can also put the values over here and we can also use another format. I am using another format because if the angles are different, then what will you do? Okay. So we get cos 90 sin 45 plus cos 45 and sin 90. So what we have? Cos A sin B plus cos B sin A. So this is the formula for sin A plus B. That means what we get? Sin 45 plus 90. Okay. You can add them. We get sin 135. Now find out the value of sin 135, which is equal to sin 180 minus what? 45. 180 minus 135. 10 में से 5 गया 5. 45 degree. Clear? Now this is in the second quadrant. So its value is sin 45 degree. So ultimately what is the result? 1 over under root 2. You can either use this plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Now we again cross multiply both of them. We multiply x plus 1 with x square minus 1 and x plus 1 with x minus 1. So this is the formula, elaborate formula for x cube plus 1. And here we get x square minus 1. X minus 1, x plus 1, that is x square minus 1. Now when we elaborate it, we get x square. This is minus 1 plus 1. We just get cancelled. And when we get the answer x cube minus x square. That is x square x minus 1. This is our answer. We have to find the value of x. And here it is given in this way. That means the value of this determinant is equal to 0. That means we have to solve using the determinant method. That is 9 into 2x plus 5 minus 3 into 5x plus 2, which is equal to 0. That means this is equal to this one. Now when we solve, we get 9 to the 18x plus 45. 3 5s are 15x plus 6. Now we take it here 18x minus 15x is equal to minus 45 plus 6. We get over it 3x and here 39. Then x is equal to minus 30. Okay. Pattern of these types of question where the value of determinant is equated to the value of another determinant. In this case, we compare this value with this value with this value. And in this way, we find the different values. So when we compare here, the value of x is what? It is equal to 2. And value of 2x, when we compare, it is equal to 4. Here, when we substitute the value of x, we get what? 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Question in this way. And we have to find the value of x. When we compare here, we say under root 6 is not equal to 6. Under root 20 is not equal to 5. So we don't able to write x is equal to 2. In these types of cases, we find the value of this determinant and then equate the value of this determinant and then find out the answer. Now I am going to do this, which is equal to under root 6 into 24 minus x into under root 20, which is equal to 6 2s are 12 minus 5 2s are 10. Now from here, when we solve it, this is 6 into 6 into 4 minus x, this is 4 5s are 20 and it is equal to 2. So from here we common 6 and from 4 we common 2. So we got over here 12 minus here we get 2 under root 5x which is equal to 2. So we take it over here. It becomes what? 12 minus 2 which is equal to 2 under root 5x. That means 10. What we get? 10 is equal to 2 under root 5x. That is the value of x is 10 over 2 over under root 5. When we solve, we get 5. We get x is equal to 5 root 5. So, it can be rewrite as root 5 into root 5 over root 5. Okay? So, when we cut, ultimately the value of x is under root 5. So, in this way, you can solve these types of determinants. That means there are 3 rows and 3 columns. What is the first term we write over here? We start from this place. That is 3. Then we multiply these two boxes, these two lines. 1 ones are 1 minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3. Clear? Now we put minus over here. Minus 4. It becomes plus 4. Then 1 ones are 1. Minus plus 2 twos are 4. That means it is 4. Then plus we have 5. Then 1 threes are 3. Minus 2 ones are 2. Now we have to solve this. We get 3. Here 1 plus 2 threes are 6. It becomes plus. Then 4. 4 1 5. Then 5. Here we have 1. So what is the answer? 6 1 7. 7 threes are 21. 4 5s are 20. 5 ones are 5. We get 6 2 2 4. 46 is the determinant of the given matrix. Okay. Determinant of 2a is equal to 4 times determinant of a. That means, listen here, how will we solve this? 2a. That means this a becomes 2a. That means we have to multiply every element. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Now we find the determinant of 2a. Firstly, we multiply all the elements with 2 and then find out the determinant. So what is this? 2 fours are 8 minus 8 fours are 32. What is its value? Minus 12 minus 8? 4. 24. Now 4 mod a. That means firstly we find the mod of a, that is determinant of a, that is 1, 2, 4 and 2. We get the answer 2 minus 4 twos are 8, that is minus 6. Now 4 of mod a. That means 4 into minus 6. That means minus 24. And we got the same answer. Okay. From this question we also conclude that mod of any determinant, and if we multiply after getting the determinant with the number, these are same. And here we have 2a and here we have 4a. Clear? So this is the type of relationship in the determinant.